Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Joe. I appreciate you being here to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff. Company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company online and with Google recognizing you. There's three key factors that come into play here: content, backlinks, and citation. Now, understand every time you type something into the search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords as you're typing in to find a website with the most relevant content and keywords that are within it. This is how it establishes a rank. This is search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to keyword or words, and then they categorize these websites. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition. Backlinks, this is important today. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. Citations or referring domains is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is found. Google Business Profile is extremely important. It is recommended to build one if you don't have one. It will directly connect your citations to your business profile and help you rank in the maps. That's how this happens here. This is what you get on the map pack. You know this. I'm sorry about that. And everything underneath the map is considered organic ranking through your content, backlinks, and citations. Sorry about that. For an example, citations include Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So here's what I did. I typed in auto repair, Johns Island. But you are not on the first page, and you definitely want exposure on the first page because, let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. They're looking for something, they want it right here. If it's not here, they're moving on. And what you do have, though, is your competitors. So I know that you have a website, and so I chose just randomly Swift. This is a Find a Mechanic. It's an advertisement. This is a Yelp. This is an advertisement. So what falls underneath that is the organics and the ranking structure starts to take place. So we have Swift. Here's their garage. Here's their website. I'm sorry. So I took your website and I plugged it into this tool that I have called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs gives me an idea of how strong your website is with backlinks, referring domains, and your keywords and your content. And then I took Swift's garage and put it in the same way. They have 142 to your 676. They have 12 referring domains to your 171. They have 30 keyword organic keywords. It's creating 212 search volume a month. You have 182 keywords and it's only creating 28 search volume a month. So now you ask yourself, how is this possible? How do you have more numbers than he does, more backlinks, more referring domains, and more keywords, but you are not on the first page of Google and he is? This doesn't make sense, right? So I said, okay, let me start to figure this out. So I dug real hard. Let's go check out the backlinks. You have 676 of them. This is the domain rank for the backlinks that you have and the strengths that they come in. So we start 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 12. Another thing I started to look at was the traffic that these anchored backlinks or these endorsements are bringing in. So Japanese imports is a referring backlink to you. It gets 180 searches a month, and after that, every other backlink that you are connected to has no search. Not all backlinks are created equal. You can have obviously hundreds of them and they have no power, no strength, so they won't refer you, they won't endorse you, they won't back you up. It's as if they're almost useless when it comes to a ranking structure. Then I wanted to come over and take a look at the backlinks for Swift. These are the traffic. This is the traffic that his backlinks have. 6, 2.2, 6. And they're a little bit stronger. Not much, but they're a little bit. And it's just enough with the keyword attached to them. It is just enough to knock you out and put them on the front page. It's crazy. I'll give you one more brief example. Let's see. Let me back up a hair. Pardon my slow computer. You have 171 referring domains. Here's the organic traffic from them. Referring domains could be any, these are all obtainable to you as well. Let's come here. Let's check his referring domains. He has 12. But look at the traffic on this one. So, and this is a lot of traffic. So not all citations and not all backlinks are created equal, as we can clearly see here. You across the board have more backlinks and more citations, but you are not ranking. They are dead ends to you. So, with that being said, content, backlinks, and citations, when they're done correctly, are extremely important to bring you together. It'll increase your value, it'll start to establish who you are, and then, of course, that'll get you exposed. You'll have more traffic. More traffic is customers. Customers mean revenue. So I just wanted to take this time. Hope you understand how that works. Maybe you can appreciate that. I hope so. Give you some insight. If there's anything more that I can do for you, if you want to talk, I'm happy to help you. Maybe find something realistic for you in your business if you want to do a revamp on your whole structure there. I'm just hoping you find that helpful, and I'm glad you took the time to watch this with me today. And thank you, and I'll talk to you later.